working on Python GUI development and dealing with BOA project files. These are project files from the BOA Constructor IDE for wxPython development. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and use these BOA Constructor IDE project files. My golden rule for file errors: always use a universal file viewer first. It saves time by ruling out minor BOA errors. You'll find my software recommendation here. A user with a BOA file likely has a project from the BOA Constructor, a cross-platform Python IDE and wxPython GUI builder. This file acts as the central project manifest, organizing source code files, GUI layouts, and project settings, enabling the developer to manage and compile their application. The BOA file is a structured data file, likely in a proprietary text-based format like XML or a custom configuration syntax. It was designed to store references to all project components, dependencies, and IDE-specific configurations, allowing the BOA Constructor environment to quickly load and reconstruct the entire project state. BOA Constructor is the standard set by Rian Buisin for accessing the BOA format. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot evaluate script syntax, so execution depends on trusted runtime tools. Initiate the search for the correct opener. Right-click your BOA file and select Open With. Your best bet is BOA Constructor. If you see it, use it. If not, cycle through the remaining options. If your BOA file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The good news is that file opening failures usually follow a pattern. You have one of three problems. I've put together a short list showing the cause and the simple check. First, opening in BOA Constructor. Download BOA Constructor from sourceforge.net projects BOA Constructor. Note that the project has been inactive for many years. Install Python and wxPython. Prerequisites, then launch BOA Constructor. Use File, then Open Project to load the BOA project file, accessing the Visual Form Designer and Code Editor for continued development. Next, working with source files. BOA project files. Reference standard Python source files. PY, which can be opened and edited in any modern Python IDE like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Spider. The Python source code remains valid and runnable independent of the BOA project structure, enabling continued development without BOA Constructor for the actual code work. Finally, migrating to modern IDEs. Consider migrating BOA projects to modern IDEs better suited for current Python development. Visual Studio Code with Python and wxPython extensions, or PyCharm, provide robust Python development environments. The visual GUI design aspect of BOA Constructor can be replaced with wx Form Builder or Qt Designer for modern Python GUI development workflows. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.